Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color space of your videos in CapCut PC. So go to just CapCut PC, select modify here, and under color space, here's where you can change it to the color space you want it to be. I don't know like how it changes the video, not gonna lie, but you're just going to select the color space and press save. And that's pretty much it. I'll just bring it back to the original color space on this project. But that's basically how you can change the color space on your project in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.